Hi everyone, this is DJ BOAZ as usual. Today I want to greet you in all whichever country you are. In Uganda, basically I'm in Uganda. I want to say Mulimtia Bana Uganda. That is all. And everyone from other countries, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you watch this video. Today in video, I want to this is the first episode for those ones who want to become a YouTuber. What cost, or how to become a YouTuber? What costs to be a YouTuber? To become a YouTuber, there is no cost. What you have to be with is either a phone, a laptop. It depends on what you are going to do. It depends on which kind of content are you going to upload on YouTube. That is how content requires some equipment. Here I'm using my laptop plus my sound gadgets, as you see. But all in all, to cut the story short, let us begin on how to create a Gmail. Remember, if you want to become a YouTuber, this is very important. Okay, this is very important. If you want to become a YouTuber, what should you put into your mind is, you have to first understand that YouTube is running under Google. If you put that into your mind, that YouTube is running under Google, therefore, to have a YouTube account, you have to be with a Gmail account. Okay? Now let us dig into a Gmail account. Go to Google on your website, on your browser, any browser, Opera Mini browser, Microsoft browser, and Chrome plus Mozilla Firefox. Those are the major browsers we have. So dig into your browser, place search Google. After searching Google will bring you that you are not signed into. Try to sign in. Okay, if you don't have an account, like as you see, I don't have an account. I want to create a new account. Go to create account. If you are creating an account for a child, if you are creating an account for a work or a business, that is, but you have to create an email for personal use. Let us dig into this. I put I put here my on-screen keyboard. That is why I want to use this. Okay. Now I want to put my name. Now, my name. My date of birth. If you are a male, you have to put male. If you are female, you have to put female. Okay? Now, you are free to choose. Which do you want to use? You want to create your own Gmail address? That is possible. Or you want to use the one that they select for you. me, I have two choices. I have BOAZ D. I have DJ BOAZ. Then I can create my own. Okay. That is my email, DJ BOAZ 256. That is a simple identical. It is already taken. Now let me see this. It is taken. Then I have to choose this. I have to put my password. You have to put your recover email if you have another email. Then we have our Gmail account. This is our Gmail account. Okay, this is my Gmail account. Now, after creating a Gmail account, what is the next step? My next step is to go to YouTube. Okay, is to go to YouTube. Let me look into this. Is YouTube. To go to YouTube. Okay, let us go to our YouTube. My internet is a bit slow, but this is Uganda. Uganda internet yaffe nzibu, but we have to be patient. This is my YouTube. For the start, all new YouTube users, you have to see this page. How and why? It means your YouTube, your email or your account never search anything from Google or from YouTube. That is why you can see this page. But after searching, like as I'm searching this, you'll find you see that now I can search. Then let's go for creating a YouTube channel. Okay, here there is a word create channel. After creating channel, that is, remember there is a name and there is a handle. This is a handle. My handle is it is supposed to be in small letters for simple identification. My handle, maybe I had UG. Yes, DJ BOAZ UG. This a handle is far different from a name, but they could be the same because the user sometimes when you search in YouTube, they majorly find this handle instead of the name. So you should match them well. That is to create our YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is created, but it is not professional. Okay, it is created but not professional. Thanks for watching.